Oh, hello. I'm coming to you live from not a lounge, not a museum or a palace, but my hotel room at the Cafe Royal on Regent Street in London, England with Kyle. We've booked the cheapest room you can possibly get, and upon checking in, we found we've been upgraded to a signature suite, and this is our room, the living area of our room. So I'll give you a little tour. There's a sauna, a pool, a jacuzzi. Oh man. Well, I realized that was kind of abrupt, but really that's all it is. It was really cool. I'm at an $11 a night room in Prague now, but I'm working on a video that'll show you how I get these upgrades at these 5-star hotels, and it should be pretty cool.